Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a mint margarita without lemon. Begin by muddling 8-10 fresh mint leaves with 1 Oz simple syrup in a shaker. Add 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz triple sec, and 1.5 Oz fresh lime juice. Fill with ice. Shake vigorously, double strain into a salt-trimmed glass over fresh ice, garnish with mint and a lime wheel, and enjoy immediately. Start with quality ingredients. Pick the tequila you enjoy, fresh limes, and bright mint leaves for aroma. Measure precisely: 2 Oz tequila, 1.5 Oz lime juice, 1 Oz triple sec, and 1 Oz simple syrup as a baseline. Adjust sweetness to taste and decide whether you want it on the rocks or blended. Chill your glass and prepare a salt or chili salt rim if you prefer a savory contrast. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to keep your kitchen spotless between cocktail nights. It pairs surprisingly well with hosting, freeing you to muddle mint instead of sweep crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For best results, muddle mint gently to bruise leaves, not shred them, preserving bright flavor. Use plenty of ice in the shaker to ensure proper dilution and a crisp texture. Double strain into your prepared glass to remove leaf fragments for a smooth sip. Taste and tweak sweetness or lime to balance acidity, and garnish with a fresh mint sprig for aroma and presentation that invites the first sip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.